Well, it's thrown it down again. That didn't last long, did it? Just thought I'd mention these seeds for anybody that lives in the UK. If you live near a Lidl, go get yourself some really cheap seeds. I've just bought these, all different varieties, and they're 29p a pack, or you can get 5 packs for £1. That's really cheap. And I've got this, got me some spinach, some more carrots, some cauliflower, tomatoes, and a few peppers. So all these seeds for £1, that's a bargain. So yeah, if you do live near Lidl, get yourselves down there and get some seeds, because a lot of these seeds have an expiry date for like 2 years. So you can just buy some and get stocked up for this year and for next year as well, for next to nothing. I think I'm going to have a go at some of these spinach, because I did some spinach recently, and if you remember, I was using these pots because they're small, and I was using them to test my seeds, knowing that they don't take a lot of space up. And it turns out the basil, there's only one seed germinated, so nah, I know them seeds are probably no longer viable. So when you pop across something like this, you might as well stock up, you know, buy a fiver's worth. They'd also got flowers in there as well, so if you want to grow flowers from seed, then you can get yourself some flowers. We're at 29p a pack, or 5 for £1. You can't pass that up. So I'm going to pop some compost in here, and then I'm going to see how many seeds is in this pack, because it feels like it's quite a lot. So I'm just going to give this one a quick fill. What else you're going to do, you know, mid-March when it's throwing it down? You might as well get on with some seed sowing. Because as we all know, they don't need sun to germinate. So I'm getting that a bit of a tamp down, made it nice and level for these seeds to go on. We'll have a look, see how many we get. Because normally when you buy seeds, it says on the back, you know, the contents is like 20 seeds, 50 seeds, 100 seeds. But this one says 10 running meters. So, sounds a lot. Wow. And there certainly is a lot of seeds in there. And the variety is Matador. I've never tried that before, and that's just another thing you see. You buy seeds, you'll see something that you've maybe not tried before, and for the sake of that bit of money, you might as well give them a go. You've no what to lose really. So I'm just going to pop a few on here and see how we go with them. This weren't really supposed to be a seed sowing video. It was more just to give you the heads up if you are in the UK and you live near a Lidl and you don't know that they've got these bargain priced seeds for sale. So I've just popped all those on there, and I've hardly took any out of that packet. So we'll have a check, so if there's dates on them. This particular pack says used by 2023. So you've still got all year to grow your spinach. I'll check some more. So they're all dated, used by 2023. That doesn't mean that after that date they still won't germinate. That's just advising you to use them by then. But if you're going to be planting a lot of things like I tend to do, I'm pretty sure these will all go this year. And I got that giddy, I forgot to water it. Never mind. What I'll do is I'll get a bit of covering and then we'll water it anyway. So the old trusty colander, raise its head again, and we can give them a light covering. Probably don't need to be fair, with these spinach seeds, because they are quite big seeds. But I've just got into an unbreakable habit with this thing. And these are spring or summer sowing, so you've basically got all year. So they've had a nice bit of recovering, and now we will water them. I could just put them outside for 5 minutes. That'll be all the water they need for the rest of the year, with weather we've got today. So we're in Derbyshire, in UK, zone 4, and it's basically forecast. It's basically forecast heavy rain all day, which is not what you want to hear. Not after the last couple of days when it's been really sunny. So there we go, that's them sorted out. So we've got another planting of spinach. We've got hundreds of seeds left in that packet that I've just dropped on. So yeah, 29p a pack, or 5 packs for £1. Bargain in March. Go get some. Anyway, thanks for watching this video again, and I hope we can get some seeds, save yourself a bit of money, and get some really good plantings done this year. Take care. We'll soon be past all this, don't worry, it's coming. We know it is. It's going to be very, very sunny in the UK all next week. But also make sure you watch your nighttime temperatures, especially if you're sowing tender crops, because you will need to put a bit of fleece on if we get a bit of a frost. So just keep that in mind. And if you want to keep up to date with this channel, just hit that subscribe button and press the notifications bell, and then we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Take care.